Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer loyalty with PayPal affiliate program. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase customer loyalty using the PayPal affiliate program, start by understanding the program's benefits. Set up your PayPal account if you haven't done so already. Visit the PayPal affiliate program page to gather essential details. Register for the affiliate program by completing the application process. Review the terms and conditions to ensure compliance. Once approved, dive into the dashboard to explore available tools. Select promotional banners and links that resonate with your audience. Share these links on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Create engaging content that highlights the advantages of using PayPal. Encourage users to sign up through your affiliate links. Monitor the performance of your links to assess engagement. Analyze the data to determine which promotions are most effective. Adjust your strategy based on customer feedback and engagement statistics. Engage with your audience by addressing their questions and concerns. Consider offering exclusive deals to customers who use your affiliate link. Consistently update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Maintain a strong presence on social media to foster community. Leverage email marketing to reach out to existing customers. Provide value by sharing tips on how to effectively use PayPal. Build trust by showcasing success stories of satisfied customers. Regularly communicate any new promotions or updates in the program. By following these steps, you can effectively increase customer loyalty through the PayPal affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.